Hello friends, this is the first exercise for the permutations and the combination. In this exercise, we will see the fundamental principle of the counting, and that is there are the two principles, that is the addition and the multiplication. If the one operation is happening independent of the other, then we take the addition, and if the one operation is done and it is depending on the another operation, then we take their multiplication. Therefore, there are the two principles, that is the addition principle and another is a multiplication principle. Now we'll see in this video. I try to explain in a very simple language. I hope that you will understand all the problems whatever that I had explained here. Now we'll start. Now the statement of addition principle. Suppose one operation can be done in m ways and another operation can be done in n ways with no common way among them if one of these operation is to be performed, then there are m plus n ways to do it. This is the addition principle. And next is definition of the multiplication principle. If one operation can be carried out in m ways followed by the second operation that can be carried out in n ways, and these two operations are independent of the other operation can be carried out in m into n ways. Now we'll see the exercise 3.1. A teacher wants to select the class monitor in a class of 30 boys and 20 girls, in how many ways can be the monitor be selected if the monitor must be girls. Now in this case, in a class there are 20 boys and 30 boys and 20 girls, and teacher want to select monitor only from the girls. Therefore he can select 20 ways. Now the teacher want to select a girl monitor. The number of ways of selecting girl monitor is 20. Now the answer in the textbook is different. If you are agree, then write down this. But there is again one more suggestion myself or me. See this. If teacher wants the monitor boys or the girls, then the number of the possibilities will be 30 plus 20, and that is equals to 50. But if he want to select boy or girl, then selection will be 30 plus 20, and that is equals to 50. Next, a signal is generated from two flags. म्हणजे सिग्नल साठी दोन फ्लॅगची आवश्यकता असते. By putting one flag above the other. One flag above the other. If four flags of different colors are available, how many different signals can be generated? Now here we require the two flags, and we can select these two flags from the given four flags. That is, for the signal we require two flags. Here one operation is done by the other. It means that the first operation, and after the first operation, then we will take the second operation. The selection of the first flag, पहिला जर फ्लॅग घ्यायचा असेल तर आपण 4 मधला घेऊ शकतो. The selection of first flag, there are 4 possibilities. पहिला फ्लॅग जर घ्यायचा असेल तर आपल्याला 4 possibilities आहे. For the second selection, there are three possibilities. There are three possibilities. Therefore, total signals generated is equals to 4 into 3. That is equals to 12. That is, here we apply the multiplication principle. There are the 12 possibilities. Now the question number: how many two-letter words can be formed using letters from the word space? एक वर्ड बनवायचा आहे, त्याच्यामध्ये दोन लेटर्स असणार आहे आणि ते कुठनं सिलेक्ट करणार आहोत आपण? तर स्पेस यातनं. मग स्पेस मध्ये काय काय येतं? SI, PI, AI, CI, EI. When the repetition of the letters is allowed. Repetition of letters is allowed. And in the second case, repetition is not allowed. दोन अक्षरांचा शब्द आपल्याला बनवायचा आहे, त्याच्यामध्ये पहिल्यांदा रिपिटेशन चालणार आहे आणि दुसऱ्यांदा रिपिटेशन इज नॉट अलाउड. टू लेटर्स फ्रॉम द वर्ड स्पेस. आता स्पेस मध्ये एकूण किती? तर 5 अक्षर आहेत. म्हणून पहिलं सिलेक्शन किती होणार? 5 टाइम्स आणि दुसरं देखील 5 टाइम्स, बिकॉज द रिपिटेशन इज अलाउड. The first letter will be selected from space, SPAC, that is total number is equals to 5. Second selection, second letter, that is, will also selected from SPACE, capital E. I had written in a small. That is a total number is equals to 5. And here the first operation M is equals to 5, and for the second operation N is equals to 5. Total is equals to M into N. That is 5 into 5, and which is equals to 25. When the repetition is allowed, the number of the two letters word will be 25. And in second case, the repetition is not allowed. म्हणजे पहिलं लेटर घेतल्यानंतर ते पुन्हा आहे त्याच 5 मध्ये ठेवायचं नाही, ते बाजूलाच असणार आहे. Therefore, it is called the repetition is not allowed. Then the first letter is selected from 5. Will not replace again that letter. For the second, it is selected from 4. Therefore, again by the principle of multiplication, that is by the multiplication principle. Total number of two-letter word is equals to 5 into 4. That is equals to 20. Now the question number 4. How many 3-digit numbers can be formed from the digits 0, 1, 0, 1, 3, 5, 6. Now how many digits are there? 5 digits are there. And we require to form 3-digit number. 3 अंकी संख्या बनवायची आणि खाली दिलेले अंक किती आहेत तर 5 आहेत. 0, 1, 3, 5, 6. If the repetition of the digit are allowed and the repetition is not allowed, we want to form the 3-digit number. Now the first is to form 3-digit number. From the digit 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0, 1, 3, 5, 6, 0, 1, 3, 5, 6. Now in 3-digit number, the places are the unit place, 10 place and the 100 place. Now see this here, 100 place and 10 place असणार आहे आणि एक युनिट प्लेस असणार. आता इथे मात्र 100 प्लेसला आपल्याला 0 नाही घेता येणार आहे. 100 प्लेसचं सिलेक्शन करायचं असेल तर आपल्याला फक्त या now see this here. For the 100 place we can select from 1, 3, 5, 6. या चौघातनच आपल्याला घेता येईल कारण की 100 प्लेसला 0 टाकला तर ते 2-digit नंबर तयार होणार आहे त्याच्यामध्ये. Therefore we can select from 1, 3, 5, 6. Therefore here is a 4. And for the 10 place we can take any of these. Therefore the number of possibilities is here 5. And unit place again we can take 5. Therefore see this. That is equals to 100 for these 3-digit number when the repetition is allowed. Now for the 100 place will be from 0, 1, sorry, 100 place is from 1, 3, 5, 6. That is equals to number of ways are 4. M is equals to 4. For 10th place, selection will be from 0, 1, 3, 5, 6. That is n is equals to 5. And for unit place, selection will be from 0, 1, 3, 5, 6. That is r is equals to 5. And by the principle of multiplication, therefore by the principle of multiplication, total number of this 3-digit is equals to 4 into 5 into 5, and that is equals to 100. Now in second case, when the repetition of digit is not allowed. When the repetitions of are not allowed. Therefore, this is 100 place, 10th place and the unit place. Now here in the 100 place, for the 100 place we can select again from the 4 number, that is the number of ways is 4. Now for the 10th place, now total digits are 5, out of 5 1 digits are less, एक digit कमी झालेला आहे, मग अजून पुन्हा आता फक्त 4च उरणार आहे त्याच्यामध्ये. Therefore for the 10th place the number of ways is 4 and for the unit place अजून 2 कमी झाले, म्हणजे आता 3च वेळा आपण युनिट प्लेसला घेऊ शकतो. For the unit place the number of ways is equals to 3. Therefore by the principle of the multiplication, total number of 3-digit number is equals to 4 into 4 into 3. That is m into n into r. That is equals to 48. Now see the question number 5. Question number 5. How many 3-digit number can be formed using 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 if digits can be repeated? How many 3-digit numbers can be formed using the digits 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 if the digits can be repeated? For 3-digit numbers 100, 10 and unit place. For 100 place, digit we can select digit from 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Therefore, the number of ways m is equals to 5. For the 10th place, we can select from 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 because the repetition is allowed. And next is for unit place digit, we can select digits from 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Therefore, r is equals to because the repetition is allowed. Therefore, the number of wedge is equals R is equals to 5. Therefore, 100 plus 10 plus 1 unit plus, that is 5 into 5 into 5, and that is equals to 125. Therefore, the total number of the 3-digit number, that is m into n into r, is equals to 125. Now the question number 6. A letter lock has 3 rings, and each ring has 5 letters. Determine the maximum number of trials that may be required to open the lock. Lock has 3 rings. This is this type of the lock you have seen here. That is, lock has 3 rings: first, second, and third. Has three different rings. For the first ring, a lock has 3 different rings. For the first ring, we can select any one letter from 5. That is m is equals to. And for the second, we can select again 5. And for the third, and for again, that is 5. Therefore, r is equals to 5. And therefore, the maximum number of trials, किती ट्रायल होतील तर m into n into r, that is a 5 into 5 into 5. These are the total 1. Therefore, the maximum number of the trials that may be required to open the lock is m into n into r, that is equals to 125. Now, in this case, that is 125. Now, here 125, the maximum number of the trials is 125. And in 125, there is one success. Therefore, 124 answer is the number of unsuccessful attempts. Okay, now we'll see in the next example. Question number 7. In a test, 5 questions are of the form State true or false. No student has got all answers correct. आता या प्रश्नावरून 6व्याचं आन्सर हे 125 आहे, तर 124 नाही, हे याच्यावरून आपल्याला समजेल इथे. Also, the answer of every student is different. Find the number of students appeared for the test. Now, see this. This is the test. 5 questions are of the form that's state true or false. No student has got all the answer correct. Also, the answer of every student is different. Find the number of the students appeared for the test. Means what? We will find out the total number of the answers and subtract 1, because no student has got all the answer correct. Now this is very simple. Now see, total number of answers we will find out. In a test, five questions. Each answer has 2 values, T or F. This is question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Each has 2 answers. Therefore, number of possibilities for answer question number 1 is 2, 2, 2, 2. That is a 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. That is 5 times. And that is equals to 2 raised to 5 means what? The 32. All 5 questions the total numbers of set of answers is equals to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. That is 5 times 2. That is a 32. This contains one correct answer also. Therefore, but no student has got all answers correct. Therefore, 32 minus 1 is equals to 31. Therefore, the number of the students present for the test are 31. जे एकालाही पूर्णपणे ते पूर्ण मार्क्स मिळालेले आहेत, म्हणून total number of the student present for the examination is 31. आणि म्हणून आधीच्या प्रश्नाच्या बाबतीत देखील तसं होतं. मॅक्झिमम नंबर ऑफ द ट्रायज 125 and unsuccessful असतील तर मग to reach up to that is the 124. 31 is a set of the answers in which not a single set of answer is correct. And in this example, not a single student got all answers correct. Therefore, students, total number of students is equals to 31. We'll see the next question. Question number 8. How many numbers between 100 and 1000 have 4 in the unit place? Four in the unit place. We have 10 digits, that is a 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 9. The numbers between 100 and 1000 all are 3 digit number. म्हणजे ते कसे असतील? The 101 up to the 999. 100 place, 10 place and the unit place. And we'll form by using 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 9. For the unit place, we can select only one digit, that is a 4. This can be happen. Unit place ला आपल्याला 4 पाहिजे त्याच्यामुळे this can be happen m is equals to 1 way. For tens place, we can select ten digits. We can select the 10 digits, that is the n is equals to 10. And for the 100 place आपल्याला 0 घेता येणार नाही. Therefore, we'll take here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That is r is equals to 9. Therefore, total number of total numbers of the numbers in which the unit place is 4. Total number of the numbers between 100 and 1000 by principle of multiplication with the unit place 4 equal to m into n into r, that is 1 into 10 into 9, that is equals to 90. How many numbers between 100 and 1000 have the digit 7 exactly once? यामध्ये फक्त 7 हा एकदाच आला पाहिजे. It means that 7 digit will be at It means that the 7 digit will be at unit place or the 10th place or the 100th place. Here we will consider 3 different cases when 7 in unit place. That is unit 10 and 100. This can happen only once. Therefore, m is equals to for the 10th place, we can select digit other than 7. That is total number of digit, that is equals to 9. म्हणजे त्यात काय असतील तर 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 8 and 9. n is equals to 9. And for 100 place, यामध्ये आता मात्र 0 नसणार आहे. We can select r is equals to 8. That is 1 2 3 4 5 6 8 9. Therefore, total number of numbers where the unit place is 7 is 1 into 9 into 8, that is equals to 72. When 7 is in the 10th place, that is in this way again, in the 10th place, that is 1 time, unit place 9 times, and the 100th place, that is equals to 8 times. For unit place, we can select 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 8 9, that is m is equals to 9. For 10th place, that is 7 is a single digit, n is equals to 1. And for 100 place digit, we can select, that is a 1 2 3 4 5 6 8 9. त्यामध्ये 0 नसणार आहे. Therefore, r is equals to 8. Therefore, total number of digits in 10th place 7 is 8 into 1 into 9, and that is equals to 72. In third case, that is 100 place, 10th place, and the unit place. Now here unit place, that is the m is equals to 1, there will be the 7. For 10th, 9 possibility will be there, and for unit also the 9 possibilities will be there. Therefore, in this case, 100 place is 7. Therefore, m is equals to 1. In 10th place, we can select 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9. N is equals to 9. And in unit place, we can select 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9. That is R is equals to 9. Therefore, total number where 100th place is 7. That is equals to 1 into 9 into 9. That is equals to 81. Therefore, the required answer, required number is equals to 72 plus 81. That is equals to 225. It's very simple, in which digit 7 exactly once. Now the question number 10. How many 4-digit numbers will not exceed 7,432 if they are formed using the digits 2, 3, 4, 7 without a repetition. How many 4-digit numbers will not exceed this number? मग इथपर्यंत चालेल आपल्याला 7,432 पर्यंत चालणार. म्हणून एवढ्याच नंबरचं आपण काउंटिंग करणार आहोत. The given number is 4-digit number. Repetition of the digit is not allowed. 4-digit number should not exceed 7,432. To form such type of digit, four-digit number, we will start from that is series, that is 1,000 place, 100 place, 1,000 place, 100 place, and the unit place, for the 1,000 place digit can be filled in 4 ways. 100 place digit, 3 ways, 10 place digit, 2 ways, and the unit place digit is 1 way. It's very simple. Therefore, by principle of the multiplication, 1000 प्लेस यासाठी आपण सुरुवात करतो की मॅक्झिमम नंबर आपल्याला तिथून स्टार्ट मिळू शकतो आपल्याला, म्हणून 1000 प्लेसने भरायला सुरुवात करायची, नंबर्स सिलेक्शन करायला सुरुवात करायची. By the principle of multiplication, the total number of 4-digit number is equals to 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, and that is equals to 24. Now, greatest number from the digits is, that is a 2347 is 7432. Hence, that is, we can form this type of the greatest number, that is, it is included in 24. Hence, the total number of 4-digit numbers not maximum is, that is equals to 24. Now the question number 11. If numbers are formed using digit 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 without repetition, how many of them will exceed 400? If the numbers are formed using the digits 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 without repetition, how many of them exceed the 400? The 3-digit number, 4-digit number, and the 5-digit number. Now we want the number which exceed 400 using one numbers, that is a 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now in the first case, that is a 3 number which exceeds the 400. मग यामध्ये काय 100 प्लेस, 10 प्लेस आणि युनिट प्लेस असणार आहे, आणि 100 प्लेसला आपण काय घेणार आहोत तर 4 घेणार. फर्स्ट we can take 5, 6, but the total is m is equals to 3. For the 10th place, we can select the remaining 4 digits because repetition is not allowed. N is equals to 4. And for unit place, number of ways of selecting digits r is equals to 3. Therefore, by the principle of the multiplication, that is a 3 into 4 into 3, and total number of this is equals to 36. Therefore, the numbers of total number of digits, total number of this type of the number, the 400, 3 digits which x 400 is equals are 36. Now again, next we will form the 4 digit number and the 5 digit number. 4 digit number, this is very simple. That is for 4 digit, for the 1000 here. The number of ways of selection of digits for the 1000 place is 5. For 100 place, that is equals to selection of the selection of, for the 100 place, the number of ways of selection of digit is 4, and for 10th place, the number of ways of selection of the digit is equals to 3. And for the unit place, the number of ways of selection of is equals to 2. Therefore, by principle of multiplication, the total number of 4 digit numbers are 5 into 4, 3 into 2, that is equals to 120. Now for 5 digits, now normal multiplication of all the numbers, this is the 5 digit, and already we have that is the 5 into 3 into 2 into 1, that is equals to again 120. Therefore, total of the numbers which exceed 400 is 36 plus 120 plus 120. That is equals to 276. Now question number 12. How many numbers form with the digits 0 to 5, 7, 8 will fall between 13 and 1000. Now this is very important. They are fall between 13 and 1000 if the digits be repeated. Now in this case we will have the two types digit, that is from 13 to 99 two digit number, and 100 to that is a 3 digits, not 13 and not 1000. The two digit numbers more than 13 and the less than 20 will form here first of all, because we cannot form the two digit number by using the given digits. For that, above 13 we have the digits 15, 17, 18. Therefore the total number of the digit is equals to 3. The two digit number from 20 to 99 means these two numbers are included. Now in this case, using the digits 0, 1, 2, 5, 7, 8. Now again here the 10th place and the unit place. For the 10th place, the selection will be from, that is 2, 5, 7, 8. That is the number of the ways, that is equals to 4. Because we cannot take for the 10th place 0, we cannot take 1. Therefore, the 10th place number of the ways of the selection is 4. We cannot take 0 and 1. Therefore, the number of the ways for the 10th place is 4. Now the number of, for the unit place, the number of the ways of the selection of the digit is that is equals to 6. Therefore, the number of digits between number of the digits from 20 to 99, that is a 4 into 6, and that is equals to 24. And for the next, that is from 100 to 999, that is we require the digit in between 39 1000. That is in third case, 3 digit number from 100 to 999, that is 100 place, 10th place, again unit place. Therefore, for the 100 place, the total number of ways of the selection of the digits equals to 5. For 10th place, total number of the ways of the selection of the digit is 6. And for the unit place, the total number of the ways is again 6. Therefore, by the principle of the multiplication, that is 5 into 6 into 6, that is equals to 180. Therefore, total is 3 plus the total number of the numbers between 13 and 1000. Now see this again. 3 plus 24 plus 180, that is equals to 207. Now again I will show it. That is a 2 plus 24 plus 187, that is a 207. Now next, a school has 3 gates and 4 staircases. From the first floor to the second floor. How many does a student have to go? How many ways does a student have to go from outside the school to his classroom? On the second floor. Now the school has 3 gates, therefore the number of ways entering the gates is 3. And to go the second floor, there are the 4 staircases, and student can select the 4 staircases. Therefore the number of ways will be the 3 into 4, and that is equals to 12. Student can go inside the school by three gates, and then they can select 4 staircases to, that is from first floor to the second floor. Therefore, by principle of the multiplication, student can go from outside the school to his classroom is equals to, on the second floor is equals to 3 into 4, and that is equals to 12. Now the last question: how many 5-digit number form using the digit 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are divisible by 5 if digits are not repeated. Now we want to form the 5-digit number which is divisible by 5 and the numbers which are divisible by 5. The unit place must be 0 or 5. Therefore, 0 or 5 and 1000 place, 10,000 place, that is it must be the other than 0. Now case 1, when the unit place is 0, then 10th place digit, 10 place number, that is a 10 plus number of ways will be the 5. 100 place therefore the number of ways will be the 4, and for the 1000 place the number of ways is equals to 3, and for the 10,000 place the number of ways is equals to 2. Therefore, the total number of this type of the numbers are whose unit place is 0, that is a 5 into 4 into 3 into 2, that is equals to 120. When the unit place is next we'll consider here, unit place is 5, then for here we'll consider the 10,000 place, the number of digits, selection of the digit will be equal to 4. Next, for the 1000 place, the number of selection is equals to 3 ways, that is it is a 4 ways because we can include here 0. And for 100 place, the number of selection, that is equals to 3 ways. For the 10 place, that is equals to 2. And unit place we have selected it is 1. Therefore, the 4 into 4 into 3 into 2, that is equals to 96. Therefore, from 1 and 2, the total number of five digit which are divisible by 5 are 120 plus 96, and that is equals to 216. And in this way we have completed this exercise. I hope that you will have understood all the questions whatever that I had explained. If you are agree, then you like it. If you are not agree, then you can find out the another answer also. Now we'll see in the next video. Till then, goodbye. In this way we have completed this exercise. We'll see in the next video. Till then, goodbye. In this way we have completed this first exercise 3.1. I hope that you have understood all the problems. Whatever that I had explained, if you are agree, then write it. Now we'll see in the next video. Till then, goodbye.